this is Andrew Elvish, Vice President of Marketing at Genetec. Well, the seasons have changed, but I'm sure you, like me, are still probably working from home. We have some great new innovations we'd like to talk to you about. Our team here in Montreal, in Paris, all around the world have been working on innovations to help people returning to work after confinement and to help our healthcare professionals be successful in their roles at fighting this pandemic. Let's see what some of the people at Genetec are doing. Can you talk to me about some of the innovations that you and the team have brought to market over the last few months?
Absolutely. So obviously, being in this challenging time, our customers did face certain situations where we had to become innovative and help them go through those problems. One of them initially was being able to track people that may have been into close contact with someone who may be contagious. So they wanted to have a very fast way of being able to right away identify who came into close contact with a person that was contaminated. And so what we did was create a report that's automatically generated. And so if XYZ was contaminated, then we know these individuals were close to them, and HR could contact those individuals right away and be able to track them and reduce any contamination further ahead.
This innovation is tied directly to mission control because we're dealing with procedure and processes guiding the operator. And mainly what we were doing, or what we've done on this one, is screening the people or the employee as they come to work. It works as when you swipe your card, all the cardholder information is captured from mission control. And then the operator in front of you will ask you a few questions regarding the symptoms you may have. Based on the answer of those questions, you'll be sent to a second screening where you may have a more in-depth analyze, maybe a temperature taken, or you'll be clear to come for work.
Currently, we've extended the trial period for clearance where it's available for use until the end of 2020. So this has helped a lot of organizations who may have had their budgets impacted due to a lot of the restrictions that were put in place. We've taken the opportunity to help them include clearance within their workflows, and they've been able to begin to adopt the solution and work remotely even at times where some of their staff or operations are working remote.
I wanted to share an innovation that we've been referring to as virtual patient rounds. This is something that was actually brought to us by one of our clients early on in this new reality we're living through. This particular customer decided to use video intercoms to mitigate some of the contact between staff and patients while allowing staff to check in on the patients and communicate about their current situation and needs, not only verbally, but with visual context of the patients. So using Cypelia and Security Center, they could do all of this from the nurse's station without having to go into a patient's room every time they need to have a conversation, reducing the time, equipment, and risk of contagion involved in every patient interaction.
So it's called the Occupancy Management Package, and it was designed to help retailers and really any public-facing organization be able to comply with occupancy regulations as they start to reopen their business. So the idea behind this is actually that there's a few part numbers that you can add to your existing security center system. And this is going to give you the ability to count people, visualize this data, and then ultimately be able to manage occupancy by responding to threshold alerts.
Pretty great, right? Don't forget to check out our expert panel series, which is coming up, and it's going to look at all the ways Genetec is innovating the everyday. Go to genetec.com/innovate everyday, and I look forward to having you join us there. Talk soon.